Hello, hello. Light గా. I request the participants to empty that row because that row it is occupied for the Kudlugate campus.
Guys, यार क्या lecture? If try connecting to this, if it's working or not, let me know. ಏನು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಜನ ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಜೊತೆ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ఆర్డర్ పెట్టలేదు అక్కడ పోయి చెప్పండి ఇక్కడ వెళ్ళి కట్టి
Come down and If you're still doing your college assignments without AI, you're already behind. Research papers, projects, jobs, resume, and career decisions. There is one AI tool that is changing everything, and that is Claude. It writes code, it does your research, and it even builds working apps. It can even help you prepare for your job interviews and even build your resume. And guess what? I'm coming to Dayananda Sagar University to teach you how to exactly use it. I'm going to take a 2 days workshop where I will show you live demos and help you build real projects. I have scaled multiple YouTube channels and trained thousands of students. And now it is your turn. Block your calendar guys, because this is a workshop which you don't want to miss. So what are you waiting for guys? Register fast because spots are limited, and I'll see you there.
Hello. Hello, check.
Hello. Hello. No, bro. Hey, ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ hey, hey. Hello. What, bro? Hello. Check, check. Hello. Hello.
Guys, is the Wi-Fi working?
Hello. Check.
So we'll be starting the workshop in 5 minutes. So guys, people who are standing, please be seated, including the volunteers too here. Friend, Shreya, we'll start 5 minutes. Huh? Yeah, Vardo. Guys, make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi. Anyone lecture hall 1 or 2, whichever works. We'll start. It's coming now. It's coming now. Don't share the password to the other lecture hall. Only these students will be getting the password. If you share the password, your Wi-Fi will fall down automatically. Just these two rows, connect to this and tell me whether the Wi-Fi is working or not. Fast. ಅವರು ಕೊಡು ಫಸ್ಟು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರು ವೈಫೈ ನಿಂದು ಹಾಟ್ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ನೆಟ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ತಾನೆ ನೀನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡು Guys, did anyone connect? Is the speed coming? Is it working? Only these two rows. Working? So guys, these three rows connect to the lecture hall 2 password. Only these three. Guys, one more thing. Other than Chrome, nothing else will work. Please don't tell me that your YouTube is not working, Apple Music is not working and all. Only Chrome will work. Make sure you use Chrome for Cloud. Fast, I'll be clearing the password in 5 minutes. Fast, connect it fast. Mahir, go ask Amrit to come. Ask him to come. Guys, make it fast. Guys, don't share the password to the other lecture halls. You will not be getting Wi-Fi. And use only Chrome. Huh? Try now. The password is SOE-LH2@566. LH1-GF@667. LH1-GF@667. Guys, connected. Is the Wi-Fi working? Come on, guys. Is the Wi-Fi working? It is not getting connected. Try Chrome, only Chrome. Keep this on. If they don't get Wi-Fi, also still fine. Let them do it something. Guys, try using your mobile hotspot if it doesn't work. Okay, that's all I can do. Keep it in your pocket.
You want me to put it here? Check, check, check.
Guys, is it audible?
Check. Hello. Hello. Better? No. Better. talk on this also. Right?
Yeah, you can talk on this also. So guys, how was the workshop yesterday? Yesterday you people attended the workshop, right? So how was the workshop? So here, today is day 2. So today we'll be concluding the workshop. We have Amrit Raj today with us, who was with us yesterday too. So he'll be taking over right now. So have fun, guys.
Thank you. Yeah, please connect my laptop. Hi guys, I guess I'll just talk to you people for a while. How are you guys doing? Great, very good morning to all of you. Amazing, exciting day. So yes, so my throat is little down, so don't mind. And my back is sprained, so if I walk weirdly, don't mind me. Okay, so I just had the back belt I have put and I've taken some medicines, but yeah, we should be fine. Okay, so just don't mind if I start walking weirdly little because there's too much pain. But yeah, so how many of you went home and tried, what I taught, or at least thought about it? Raise your hands, please. Very good. If you have anything you want to ask me, anything, because what my understanding was after in the session you guys were not talking, but the session was over. All of you stormed and started talking to me. I felt so happy about that because you all were asking me so many questions, and discussing, what they were, challenges or what you were thinking about AI, right? So, excuse me. Now, the major thing, major question which I was getting again and again was, is AI making us dumb? Or is AI making me lose my creativity? Yes, how many of you have this question? Very good. People are like, is AI making me dumb or is AI making us lose our creativity? This, I guess, few of them have asked me, and I believe many have this question, and I can see that from your hands, right? So yeah, why do you think, AI is making you lose your creativity? Can you please tell me? Yes, if you don't mind. Tell your name and then you can. Very good. So Abhirami is saying, if you give your creative intelligence 100% to the AI, is it really art? Is it really special? Right? Or is it the same thing? Right? But I would like to bring a new perspective over here. See, whatever I was doing, what was I doing? I was giving a prompt, then it was asking me 5 options. Right? It was giving me 5 questions. I answered that 5 questions. Then it was again asking me 5 questions. I was answering that 5 questions. Right? And it was giving me an output. After I got output, do I accept the output right away? No. There I bring in my creativity. Are you able to understand, guys? I am using AI not as an output machine only. I am using AI to brainstorm. Please understand the difference. See, Abhirami, if I am sitting alone and let us say I am creating a website, right? So I am brainstorming with myself only, right? So I am thinking about, should I have purple color palette? Should I have green color palette? Should I have pink color palette? Right, on my website. But once I am using AI, what I can do is show me how this website will look with a green color palette. Show me how this website will look with a purple color palette. Show me how this website will look with, will look with a pink color palette. Now I have got 3 of 10 references I can create. Now I choose the one. That is my creative liberty. Or I can say the hero section. Hero section with the font you are using. I don't like this font. Right? And if, let us say, if I am an experienced designer, so I would have worked with not many fonts, so I can tell it the exact font. But let us say I'm not an experienced designer, I'm a 1-year-old designer, or I'm just starting designer, so I can ask it, give me more font designs. Then it will give me 10. Then I choose it. Guys, are you able to understand the difference? Yes or no? Come on. So where am I bringing my creativity? In choosing. I am selecting it. I am bringing my taste into the design. How do I develop taste? Let us say I'll tell you the old way of designing. Okay, trust me. I whenever I'm doing something, no, I try to learn everything. So I was interested in videos, so I learned camera. I can do end-to-end production. I can operate camera. In many of the events, I operate my own camera. Camera, you know, right? There's lighting, there's mic, everything. Lot of things are involved. Editing also, I know basics of editing. Like design also, I know basics of design. Marketing, I know all the basics of marketing. Branding, I know all the basics of branding. Right? Engineering, I was doing I'm not an engineer. Okay, but once I started learning AI, I knew I got to know I need to know Python. So I did 100 days of Python course from Udemy. So I tell I am a learning beast. So if I don't know something today, I'll go and I'll learn within a week or something like that. So what I'm coming to is कि anything you are doing, you need to learn the basics of it. If I want to be a good designer, Abhirami, so what I need to do, I need to know the basics of designing. So, and how I learn designing is different than how you learn designing, how you learn designing. Right? Your aesthetics might be different than what type of aesthetics I like. My wife likes pastel colors. Right? Bridgerton, how many of you have seen Bridgerton? Right? She likes Bridgerton colors. I am more of a poppy color guy, like, fluorescent, yellow, red, orange. Like, I'm that type of a aesthetic. So my designs, she never likes my design. Her designs, I never like her designs. But guess what? Who wins? Yeah, my wife wins, okay? My home is all Bridgerton, pastel colors. Yeah, but where I get to show my creative liberties is whenever I'm creating my PPTs for my sessions, right? So are you able to understand what I'm trying to say? Your design is different than my design. So that is what AI is not, you should not think of AI as just an output machine. You should think of AI as your thinking companion. Who holds the final call? You hold the final call. Now when you start thinking like that, do you feel you lose control or do you feel you are losing creativity? Abhirami, does it make sense for me or you have any follow-up question? Okay, you are like that's a very good example. So what Abhirami is saying, so okay, AI is good, AI is efficient, but what will happen is it will devalue human art. Right, like Ghibli trend. How many of you know Ghibli trend? Right, Ghibli is a Japanese style, okay? And ChatGPT made that accessible to everyone. Everyone was able to use it. So right, so now you can say Ghibli was being made by hand, so it was better. It lost its, like people were talking in internet, like it lost its essence because you can create it at Go and it is not good also. But can you can we agree on this fact that because of that trend, everyone knows Ghibli artists? I got to know because of that trend only. Before that, I did not know what Ghibli art is. So, guys, whenever new technology is coming, it's a fact that old things, get hampered. For example, to bring Abhirami's point forward, OpenAI, Anthropic, they have paid billions of dollars in, penalties because they use copyrighted materials, right? They use copyrighted materials to train their models. News and all, a news agency goes and gets a news. So they have spent money, right, in getting that news. Artists have spent time and everything for creating images. What these guys do, they stole the images and trained their models. That is how they are able to get. So it is theft, right? They have paid penalties also. But is it stopping people from using it? No. People are gonna use it. Right? People are going to use it. People are going to make process more efficient. So there are two ways of looking at it. Number one, what we can as a community do is make sure people are compensated for their work. Artists are being compensated for their work. Right? That is what we have to ensure. Spotify, how many of you know when Spotify came up, so music people were against it. Right? They're like, why are you giving our music to those folks, right? So what Spotify did, Spotify said, okay, we will compensate you. We will, try to compensate the artists who are creating original images. Now, I'll tell you where the world is moving, guys. The world is moving towards AI plus human image, like creation. So there are two people, okay? One artist who just, draws using his pen and this thing. Other artist who's using AI. He's also artist. He produces 100 images in a week. He's producing one image in a year. Right? Both of them are doing great work. And who knows, his might be valued more than his. But probability wise, if you see, if I'm producing 100 images a week, in a year, how many, like in a month only, I'm producing 400. In a year, 400 into 12, 4,800 images I'm producing. So I have more chances of making my 4,800 I can sell and I can make more money. Probability wise, he has more chances of winning because he's just throwing stone once. If, let's say there is a mango tree. I'm throwing stone only once. Chance of mango falling is less. I'm throwing stones 4,800 times. Chance of mango falling is more here. I'm not saying mango will not fall. I'm saying probability wise, it's less. So that is why we also have a segment called as ethics in AI. Right? What ethics in AI tells us, you should not steal. And whenever you are creating a AI, you should look at the future consequences of it. Okay, I'll tell you one more interesting study. Okay, a study which I guess Stanford University did or Oxford University did. What they did is they divided student groups into three. One who was using AI to write their reports. One group who was using Google, like old ways, Google to write a report. One group who was just, writing reports using normal stuff. Okay. Now what happened? They studied their brain activity over a period of time. Okay, guess what? Who would have had less brain activity? Exactly. People who were using AI, they had less brain activity. People who used Google, they had little bit more. People who did by more thinking, their brain activity was more. I'll give you one more fact. The people who used AI, they forget what they were doing after a month because they were not thinking about it. They forgot what they were searching only. They didn't do any actual learning. Whereas these guys in the center who use Google and all, they were remembering at least something. And these guys, remember, had more, memory as compared to the first one. So definitely, it is gonna affect your memory. It is definitely gonna, make you think less. But you as a user, you have to use it responsibly, okay, and make it as a power tool rather than making it as a, just output machine. Guys, are you able to understand what I'm coming to? There is ethics involved, how you use it involved, okay, the mindset behind how you are using the tool. That is the thing. So if you remember, yesterday when I was telling you, what did I tell you? I told you that you have to use it for thinking. I didn't tell you you take the first output. What did I make Aditya do? Aditya, right? What did I make you do? I made you think. Right? Before yesterday's class, you have more clarity. Now, after going home also, you would have thought, I guess, I'm not sure, 1 or 2 minutes about that, right? This is what we want to do. Right? An experienced artist, a 40 years old experienced artist, he might not be able to benefit much from a AI. But a college second year student who has less access to everything, he can benefit more. Who is using it matters. You create a marketing proposal, I create a marketing growth proposal. It is going to be way more different because I have experience of 10 years. So I will be able to make it from this thing. But how will you get till my level? By using it. Right? You have to start somewhere, right? You cannot say, my proposal is good, I will not make more proposals. No, you have to. Your first proposal is bad, I will tell you it is bad. Market will tell you it is bad, your boss will tell you it is bad. Then you will go home and what will you do? You will think again, Arey, what did I do wrong? how could I have made it better? You will watch few more videos, YouTube videos, or you will ask AI only. This is the feedback my boss gave me. What should I do about it? Right? So, you have to become a learning beast, guys. What do you have to become? You have to become a learning machine. Guys, maximum, like, 3 Idiot mein he says, no, don't run behind money, run behind excellence. I used to think, ऐसा कौन होता है? Like when I watched the movie, I was in my second or third year of college. Like, ऐसे क्या होता है यार? पैसा चाहिए, right? But trust me, over the period of time, I have realized whenever I take a decision based on where the maximum learning will happen. Nothing, leave everything. Whenever I take any decision, whenever I'm confused, changing jobs, okay, choosing a client, right? Like Dayananda Sagar University, will I learn something new? What? Definitely I will learn something. What I will learn? How students are responding to AI. What is their mindset, right? Where will I get access to you guys, right? Hundreds of you are sitting in my session, right? This is a direct feedback for me, right? So where will my learning happen maximum? I always choose that decision. Do you believe using AI you will learn a lot? Guys, yes or no? Do you guys believe using AI you will learn a lot? At your stage, definitely you will learn a lot. So you should definitely use AI. Is it gonna make you dumb? If you use in a wrong way, you will become dumb. Like let us say I have a project presentation tomorrow. I just make a presentation. I just ask it, I have a presentation on, agriculture tomorrow. Like let's say a project I'm working on. I have a presentation tomorrow. Make a PPT. It makes a PPT. You don't go through it. You just come, plug it in, and start reading it out of it. Teacher asks you 2 questions. You will start sweating and you will be losing marks. What would have been the right way of doing? It gave me PPT. I went through each and every slide. A word I didn't understand, I went and read about it. Something I didn't understand, I went and learned about it. Did I learn or not in this scenario? Did you see the difference in the approach, guys? Thank you. Yeah, thank you. I guess good. Did you see the difference in the approach, guys? Right? So that is the mindset I want all of you to come up with. Does this answer, Abhirami, did I clear it up to a certain extent? Or you have more? Something? Please. Not now. No? Now you're convinced little bit, at least. Somewhere. To some extent. But yeah, very good. Anyone has any other, anything else to add to this or anything going through your mind around this topic? Cool? Perfect. Now, I guess we can go through a build session. Mine is not connected. So do you guys have any problems you want to work with? Or yes, guys, did you think about a problem you want to work on? How are we dividing the team? People sitting together, we'll divide the team like that. Prashant? Whoever sitting like that, we'll divide the team based on that? Or you want to shuffle the team? My wish. Guys, I guess you're sitting with your friends. You want to work in that team? Perfect, perfect. So I'll show you few other tools as well. Yeah, I guess there's no need to disturb them. They are comfortable, right? So that you can carry on with this forward as well. I guess that bench-wise we'll make same bench-wise. Okay. I guess bench-wise, like whatever you're sitting, we'll do that. Okay, I'll show you few other tools as well. Okay, because Claude, I believe most of you don't have much credits also. Otherwise, I'll show you few free tools, and I will tell you what type of format steps you have to follow. Okay, then I'll give you a 1 hour time. Okay, in which 1 hour, 1.5 hours time, in which you build, and I will be here only. You can raise your hands and call me. I'll come and talk to you, and we can go ahead with that. So yeah, would love to know, guys, what you have in your mind. What would you want to build? Yes, you have anything you want to, any idea you want to work on? Please tell me. No, no, like let everyone also hear. Guys, nothing. I want all of you to talk. Okay, that is what is more important than AI. Communication. One skill, if you want, that is communication. Then AI. Cool. Are we on the same page, guys? Yes. Communication will do properly. Now I guess you have become opened up to me. Yes or no? As compared to yesterday, you feel he's a nice guy. Looks nice. That's not dangerous. You will not scold. Yes. Or look like look still look dangerous. No. Perfect. Yes, please.
Yes.
Tell your name and
My name is Pranita.
Vanita.
Pranita.
Please talk.
My name is Pranita. So we are not sure yet to continue with this idea or not. So we all know that there's a huge gap between the civilians and the government whenever the issue comes in potholes or lights, street lights or whatever. In this area, there is a huge gap. Anytime we need their assistance, we are not able to get in time. So we thought we'll build a website where if you put the image of the issue, like the street light has gone bad or there is a pothole or there is some road bumps without those white markings or something, so you put a photo of it and it can automatically track your location or you can manually enter it. So, and as soon as the government gets the message, they'll come and repair it as soon as possible.
Amazing. Pranita, right? Great, great guys. Claps for Pranita. Amazing project. If you are active on LinkedIn or Instagram, you would have seen a guy had created this recently.
I'm not, I don't.
No, but it is good. You should create.
Yeah.
Guys, see, it is not one project you will create and it will go viral. Okay, you have to keep on creating small projects. I was telling, hitting stones. Keep hitting stones, keep throwing stones. You cannot expect, throwing one stone and, get, best result. You have to, anything that comes to your mind, that is what, no, the speed has become very fast nowadays. Earlier, if I have an idea, I needed money, I needed people to work with. Nowadays, if I have any idea, I can sit, brainstorm with it. It will give you more idea. Because once you start thinking, guys are able to understand, any project that comes to your mind, don't keep it to yourself. I told you, right, whisper flow. You can talk to it and AI will try to help you out with it. Prenda, you can pass it to the next bench behind you. Yes, please tell your ideas, guys. We will go through all the ideas. Quickly, just 1 minute, okay? Not 1 minute or 30 seconds.
Hello. Check.
Hello, I'm Sushmita,
Yes, you are?
and I'm Sushmita.
Sushmita. Yes, Sushmita.
Okay, and my what I want to work on is a website for kids clothing brand. It's a pretty simple website.
Amazing. She wants to work on a website for a kids clothing brand. Great. Yeah, you can.
Check, check.
Guys, can you see what all ideas we are having, how creative people we are having in the room? Just want to take you through that. Yes? You guys don't want to share? You don't have an idea? Think of it, I will come back to you after this row. Any idea, like it should not be very good or super bombastic, like. Yes? Who wants to go next? Who wants to tell? Come on, guys. So, it's not working? Yeah.
So basically training an ML model using supervised learning. So particularly random forest. So in textile industry, when you're dyeing a cloth or something, so a lot of water and chemical gets into waste. So for the waste management, you're gonna implement random forest and train a model, which is gonna optimize your results. So
What are you planning to use for this?
so we are basically we are implementing like using supervised learning. We are using random forest.
No, which tool you're going to use?
Uh, Currently we haven't used any like particular tool. We are like we are also using Gemini. We are also using ChatGPT. It totally depends. So
So you can see there are uh, have you heard of Vertex AI?
no.
Google, check it out, okay? And there is Microsoft Azure ka platform is also there, okay? There you can train all these models, okay? Where are you planning to get data from?
Actually, we have created synthetic data set because we could not find anything relatable. So yeah.
Amazing, yeah, great thought process, okay? Just brainstorm with Gemini or any other thing. How, give me a step-by-step approach. Like whatever you spoke to me, right?
Yes,
Whatever
sir.
problem, give me a step-by-step. Guys, please focus. See, uh, I can see who is making fun. Don't make me pointy out. Okay, then you will be scared of me after that. Okay, I can see people know who I'm talking to. Please don't do kaka kiki. Okay, I want you to be serious for a while. I might sound nice, I might look nice, but I am very evil. Okay. Yeah. So guys, please focus because whatever she is talking about, right, that will be implemented in your project. Think how many of you heard Vertex AI? Did you guys hear Vertex AI? I was talking about Vertex AI, right? What should you immediately do? What is Vertex AI? We should go and check, right? You should check Azure, Microsoft Azure platform, right? Amazon Bedrock and all these things you should, at least, because these are the places where you get models and you can train them for your personal uses. Okay? Yes? So please focus, guys. Great. What's your name?
Shima, sir.
Shima.
Shima.
Shima, great, guys. Claps for Shima, guys, everyone. Next in the line, Nurim guy. What are you going to work on? Give to Sagar. Sahil. Saket. Yeah, I remember. Saket, give Saket. Saket, what do you want to work on?
Not decided, sir.
Not decided. But anything.
Sir.
You can work on your Korean webbook. Cool? Perfect. Yep. Anyone else want to share what you want to work on? Guys in this row? Yes? No? Anyone in this row? You want to share? You want to share? Any idea you want to work on? I'll give it to him. Please tell your name. And
My name is Srihari. So, Srihari.
Srihari.
So, we
Which
want
year?
to, first year. So, we want to build a website where we can track some students' performance on the university.
Amazing. This is very good, easy to do. We can do it in today's session only.
Okay.
How are you planning to go about it? Guys, please, we are discussing approach. He wants to build a student performance tracker app. Now, what should be the approach? We are discussing that. Please tell me, what will you do?
Sir, we can gather some data sets from, we can take fake data also, or we can build our data as well.
What do you mean by data? What type of data? You want a report,
Sir,
mark sheet,
mark sheet, their SGPA, or
attendance
wise also.
class mein how much, and
Yeah.
then?
And then we'll build up on that only. We'll see what will happen.
Perfect. I'll tell you how I would have approached Srihari, right?
Yes.
If I was Srihari, what I will do is, I will go to whatever tool I have access to, free credits, right? ChatGPT gives you more free credits. I go to ChatGPT and I'll tell, I'll just show it to you. Like, yes. I am building a student performance tracking app. Help me create a plan for that. You can ask me questions which will help you, create this plan. See, now I am like you. I am confused. Guys, focus. I am confused. What should I do? How should I approach this? Right? I'm confused. The internet is slow. But yeah, right? I will talk to it like, what did I ask for it? Give me a complete plan for it. Then it will ask me 4 or 5 questions. Then I will say, what should I focus on first and what tools I should use? Okay, then anything that comes to your mind, and you can also ask me, give me first 5 steps which I should do immediately. Most of the time we are confused. It has given me a plan. What should I do after that? What should I do after the plan? I should ask, give me 5 steps. See, if I'm an experienced person, I know what I have to do next. But if I am someone like the first year, Srihari, right? So, I don't know what I have to do. What is the next step I have to take? I guess, आपकी company में कोई who is this? Okay. So yeah, so I just the spam calls. So there's a layer which screens my calls. Like, well, I get a lot of calls. This is not I built. This is just iPhone has given me. But yeah, I guess this is there. Guys, can you see the use of whisper flow? It is slow. How many of you have tried whisper flow after going home? How was it? Amazing. Yes. So yeah, who have not used, please try and use this. Now, what is it saying? Who is your primary user? Most people try to serve everyone, student, parent, teacher, institute. That dilutes the value. Uh, choose your wedge, student, teacher, or what you want to do. Who's your first paying power user? That is the question. What is the core problem you are trying to solve? See, it is asking me, do I want to write code? I can use Codex also, yeah. What is the core problem you are solving for? What's the core problem you are solving for? Students know where they're weak. Teachers can't track 100 plus students. Parents don't trust coaching results. Students don't stay consistent. What do you want to solve, Srihari?
Sir, the first one, sir, student don't know where they are weak.
Perfect. Then, what will be your aha moment? Yeah, this is useful. What will that be? You are in bottom 30% in physics, focus here. Your revision consistency dropped by 40%. Predict need score. So what will be your aha moment? You have to think about it. Right? Now, input output clarity. You need a strong loop. What will be the input? I asked you, right? Will it be a test scores, study hours, attendance report, or what? Right? Your initial feature or MVP thinking, right? As I told you, you cannot build everything at once. You have to build few features first. Like, you have to think like that. Now, the core features can be performance dashboard you can build, weak area identification you can do, progress over time, goal setting you can do, right? AI-based insights, you can give a AI-based charts, right? Peer comparison as compared to other people, you are here, weak here, you can do this thing. Competitive landscape, who are my competitions? Doubtnut does, Unacademy, Khan Academy, all these guys are doing. Business model, early thinking, you want to be B2C, B2B, freemium or whatever. Go to market, how will you reach 1,000 customers? Tech and AI layer, what tech you want to use? Execution map, and I guess all these things, right? Now, let us sharpen this, answer this 7 question, and I'll give you exact product structure, feature. Okay, let us answer this. Who is your primary user, students?
Yes, sir, students.
Students are my primary users. What exact problem are we solving?
Like in which field we are weak or what?
To identify weak areas. What exam segment? College.
College exams.
College exams. Basically, engineering exams, computer science. What data will you track?
Sir, based on the test results.
I want to track the performance in exams or tests. What's your differentiator? Basically, we will give, I'm not sure about differentiator. We're not sure. B2C or B2B?
B2B.
We want to be B2B, going to colleges. How do you plan to acquire initial users? I want to acquire initial users from my social media in my college only. Right, it is going to do like this. Guys, are you able to understand? See, as a first year or second year students, I am myself not clear about the problem statement. Srihari was not clear about the problem statement. Srihari, do you feel after this exercise which we did with AI, you are much more clearer?
Yes, sir, much more clear.
Much more clearer than the first question I asked, sir, I want to do this. But we didn't know many questions, right? But after this, at least we have a guideline. Now is my work over. This is the output which it has given. Now it is on Srihari and his team to brainstorm on it, understand more, go through more apps, or do a research or manual, or you can ask it only to give a research. Then where is my human element coming? In the decisions I take. We took a decision, no, we wanna go B2B. We took a decision, no, who's my primary user? I took a decision, no, who's, what problem I'm solving for. You would have solved for this, I would have solved somewhere else, for something else. Guys, are you able to understand how you have to approach a problem, right? Cool, I guess it is 11:30 now, so you guys start doing this approach. start with ChatGPT because here you will be able to, go for a little while. Start by one, okay? Because if you are 3 people in a team, start with one, okay? Then second and then third. And I guess we'll start at 11:13, 5 minutes, okay? In 11:30 we will start. Shriyari, you can start working on your problem. Thank you, Shriyari, for
Thank
helping
you, sir.
us. Claps for Shriyari, guys. Right? I'm not going forward, but yeah, from 11:30 to 12:30, please start. Take it seriously, guys. It's a hands-on activity. I can come on any desk and ask you what you have done, okay? Uh, so don't mind me if I catch you red-handed. Guys at the back, I will come definitely there and check what approach you are taking. If you are not, like you are a team, okay, you have to work on, if you want to change now, otherwise you cannot change later. In the 5 minutes, if you want to change your seat, you're not compatible with your people, change it, otherwise, after that I won't let you change. Yes? Are we on agreement, guys, in the rules? Yes or no? If anyone has problem with the rules, you can tell me. If I catch you after that you are telling, I won't agree. Yes? Boys and girls, you want to change your seat? You want any clarifications from my side? I will definitely come at the back over there. Here also, and everywhere. Back me, I am 100% going to come and check your laptops, what you guys are doing or building. Yes? We are good? Guys, girls over here. Guys, Alok, good? Good? Guys, good? Perfect? Yes? Saket, perfect? All good? I will see your webbook. What are you thinking around that? Okay, or anything else? You want to work on something else? You want to help him? Perfect. Great, guys. So it is 11:30. Okay, start exploring. After 12:30, 12:30 to 1, we will be demoing, okay? And if you need my help, call me. I will come and help you out, okay? If you need anything. Guys, after the session, everyone has to submit what they have done. I will share a Google Drive link. If your name or your group's name or your name is not there, we will not give them attendance. We'll do that? No? I trust you guys. I don't want to go stricter, but yeah. See, I can do anything. Shamanta ma'am has given me so much power today. Right? I can do anything. So yeah, I will come and catch you guys. Please don't make me a bad person. I just want to end the session very on a positive note. Just make something. It should not be very good. If it is very bad also, I don't mind. Give me the worst project of the universe. I don't mind. Just give me something. At 12 o'clock, I will show you one more app. Okay, Google AI Studio. You can check that out, okay? I'll show you. Yeah, can you come with me when I'm talking? Just to ask few folks what they are building. And hello, hello. What are you building on? Sorry? YouTube clone you are making. Can you record with? Yeah, give. No, you don't talk. Okay, talk to me. So, what are you building on? What's your name? Hello? 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 What is your name? Shashank. He's also Shashank. Okay. So, what are you working on?
I'm working on a YouTube clone. I'm not using AI for this. I'm manually building this.
Okay, you're building a YouTube clone manually. You're building. How are you building manually? CSS and HTML. Front front end things only. Wow, like why you don't want to use AI for this? I have to like, but just asking why. It can make your thing easier. Do you feel it can make it easier? How? Yeah, I'll tell you. No, see, where's your code? Just what you can do is directly copy this code base, okay, put it into ChatGPT and ask it for feedback. Will do. Copy paste. Copy the entire code base. Post it and show me the output. Okay. Did you understand what I'm asking for a feedback? So you guys are building, helping him build the same thing or different? No, different thing you are working. What are you working on? Okay, nice. You're helping him with that? Huh? Hey, no, you're not doing. Okay, tell me what is building. Perfect. So I would need you to show me something. Okay, I'll come. Okay. Did you understand? You can ask for a plan from this. At what stage you are in right now? Thinking. Amazing. Then how did you code it? Manually. Now what I told Shashank also what you do now. Copy your code base, put it in ChatGPT or Gemini, and ask for a feedback. Show me that. Sure, will do. है ना? Both of you. Hi guys, what are you building?
Part-time job finding application.
Part-time job finding
Job finding
application.
application. Yeah.
Okay, and all of you are working on the same thing.
Yes. We are a team.
How are you approaching that?
Sir, still we are researching on that idea, sir.
Researching on the idea. How are you researching on the idea?
Sir, we gave
Amazing. What are you using for?
sir in some foreign countries the
Yeah.
the people do part-time job for their money purpose. So we are applying
We want to normalize this idea in India.
India, sir.
Amazing. So how are you doing that?
So by using cloud that
Claude.
artifact.
Okay, okay, perfect. Use Claude or Chat GPT also. You have this thing, no, custom GPTs.
Yes.
Have you heard of that?
No, yes.
Just check it out.
Okay.
Okay, these two things. Show me something by the end of it. Good idea.
Thank
Okay. Amazing. Yes, guys. What are you guys working on?
We are like mental health companion.
Mental health combine. Amazing, yaar. Great idea. How are you going about it? Uh-huh.
In this we will create a chatbot in which it will take the user input
Uh-huh.
and it will in that text, it will detect the person's mentality.
Amazing, yeah, great. So, how are you going about it? Show me what you have done. When did you start this? Hey, amazing. Good, yeah. Great work, yeah. Did you find what I taught interesting or like what I was teaching? Huh? What is the thing you learned? And stitch you are using. Hey, great. Amazing. Yeah, you know more tools also. Oh, great work. So what did you learn from what I, you know, you started using Whisper. Amazing. Apart from that, anti-gravity you have started using. Great, great. Did you learn how to start thinking about a problem? Great, great. What's your name, ma'am? Mansi. Mansa, are you enjoying it? Do you feel something, you know, exciting? Like you're saying, yeah, yeah. Okay, amazing. Okay, very amazing, amazing. Great, yeah, Mansa. All the best. Okay, just keep learning. Okay, I'll see you around. Yes. Hi, boys. What are you building? Hello. Huh? Not thought of it. Thinking you. Accountability application. Great, yeah. What's it about? So it's like when I have huh? Yeah. How are you approaching this? You know, how are you using AI to build that? Amazing. You're just asking it to code for you. Great. Which tool you are using? Amazing. But Claude, you will have limited, this thing, limited usage you have, right? Perfect. Great. Amazing. Great. Yeah. What's your name? Krish. Great, Krish. I'll tell you one more thing. Start using Google AI Studio as well. Okay, check it out. Google AI Studio and start using ChatGPT. Like, you have to use multiple tools in parallel. You start doing that. I was telling few other folks also. You can ask once you get a code right. You can ask ChatGPT or a Gemini to review your code as well. Okay, you can do that also, and you can ask it, you know, what are the next steps I should do? How can I make it better? Something like that. Great, yeah, Krish. Amazing, interesting. What's your name? Looking forward to it. You're working with him, but I will ask you also what. Yeah. You're not hot, but anything, no? Like, see, it should not be very big or something like that. Simple thing. You can tell health nutrition app. Right? Like whatever I'm eating, I should be able to know what I'm getting out of it. If I post a photo, like that. So you start working on that, or you want to think more and take. Got it. Okay. See, what I want you to do is more thinking than pick an idea, start work. I want you to learn the process more. Are you able to understand? What's your name? Pratik. What's your name? Faiz. Are you able to understand what I'm trying to say? Perfect. Good. All the best. I need a problem statement at least by the end of it. Okay. And something to show, like how you have brainstormed with it. Okay. Great. Hello, girls. What are you working on? You're working on street foods. Okay. Nice. Interesting. Yes. What is it about? Great. 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 Recipe of the street food. Great. 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 So how are you using AI for that? You are talking to it. Apart from that, start using after the credits get over, go to ChatGPT again, and then after that gets over, go to Google AI Studio. Okay, you can use all the things. All of you are working on the same project. Very good, amazing. All the best. Here. Hello, girls. What are you building on? are you working on that? Okay, you're using Claude for that. You can also use ChatGPT free version. Uh, Lovable you can use. Definitely try Lovable. I was about to tell folks about Lovable as well, but you can definitely use for building that app. Lovable Emergent is also the new one. You can use these two tools as well. Okay, nice, yeah, good idea. All the best. So I guess we'll go that side. Yes, guys, what are you working on? Amazing, nice. AI debate partner. How are you working towards that?
So then we are going to create a platform like a vector for cursor to build the code.
Just brainstorm it. Okay, what features should you have? Like you can ask, like what features should a debate partner should have? Then start building it one by one. Amazing, yeah, great work. See you. Did you learn like find it like what I was teaching? Did you get the thought process I want you to take home? Huh? Like did you have any questions around that or no? But yeah, like was it interesting what I taught? Huh? Actually, yes, sure. Because I didn't not sleeping, right? Great, great, great. Okay, check. Safe. I think they don't need mic. Like I'll just keep talking to them, and you can just take videos and photos. And hello, what are you working on? Got it. Amazing. Yeah, like brainstorm it, no? Whatever you told me, right? It is doing. Yeah. So it'll talk to you. Then ask it. Give me 5 steps which I should do. 5 steps which I should do immediately after you give. 5 things I should do to execute this idea. So it will give you 5 steps. Then do one, two, three. Okay. Then if you don't understand how do I do first step, then ask it. Then how do I do first step? Are you able to understand? Then if you don't understand, then go research about it. How to do. Basically, this is your learning process. If it was easy, then with one prompt it could happen. Then anyone could do that. It will take you minimum 1 week to 2 weeks or 1 month also. Are you able to understand? Yeah, you should. Like now you know ML. No, right? You don't know money. So you go and Google about it. What is ML? So whenever you find something which you don't know, how do you develop as a person? It is showing we should use ML and everything. So what's the next step I would have done? I would have gone to YouTube and read basics of machine learning. Watch that. It should take time, no? Why you want to do it in 1 hour? But it would, like, see, because right now you are just in first or second year. So this is your learning phase. So you have to spend time learning. Don't learn now, like whatever you feel, like, learn that. If you feel you are satisfied, then come back again. If you feel you're not satisfied, I don't know, I want to learn ML more. Sometimes what happens when you're reading about it, you will find more. Oh, this is this, okay. What does you watch the full video? Then you watch the second video also. Right? Sometimes you feel interested, you watch. Sometimes you feel, okay, no, this is sufficient, I should move to the next one. So that. But what I'm trying to say is ki, give it time. Any new thing, like, see, anything that is coming over here which you don't know, you have to learn that, no? Then only you will be able to build it. I would understand. Like, see, whenever I am creating a proposal, for example, I was creating a video called as for Claude design. Okay, so for Claude design, what you have to do is you have to feed a YAML file. I was like, what is YAML file? है So it is like YAML file. So I went and watched a YouTube video about that. YAML file is, it's a way to store data. Okay, so in that it was like YAML ain't markdown language. That's the full form. MA, YAML. YAML ain't markdown language. So I learned that. I watched the entire video what it is. Now if anyone asks me about YAML next time, I know it. So then you will become the AI slop which we were discussing. You will not develop as a person. So 1 week, wake up at night and study, no? Why you spend more time? Stay up at night, wake up early, give it more time. Try your max. Like, what do you think hackathon mein they will ask? Once you're going to present that, na, they will roast you like anything. They will ask you, what have you used this technology? What is ML? In the same thing, if I had been there, I would ask you, what is ML? If I come here, like I use AI a lot, okay, everything. So if I make some presentation, and in that presentation I don't know what is YAML, right? What you will do? He will like, he doesn't know YAML. No, that is what, no, that is reality of world. If you don't know something, you will not trust. I will not trust you. Like, you can build this. So it is not just building an app. It is building yourself as a knowledge. What's your name? Divya. Divya who knows ML is smarter, or Divya who doesn't know ML is smarter? Who knows ML is smarter? Who has spent time learning ML, watching YouTube videos is smarter? Are you able to understand the difference? In 1 week, you might not be able to complete the hackathon, but in 1 week, you would have learned so much. That would help you in future. Yes, it is to get an idea, but yeah, you have to put in the work, you have to learn, because see, you're not experienced as of now. If for me, let us say there's a developer who's doing the same thing, he's experienced than you, so he can directly, he knows, like I know ML and all, so I don't have to, because how do I know ML? Because in some of the prompt, I had put ML, had come and I watched the YouTube video and learned ML. Today I know ML, now I can move to the next step. If you're not doing the first step, how can you go to the second? And if you even go to the second, third step, you will fall down with your face down. Am I making sense? Sure. Eh, uh, yes, yes. हाँ करो, हाँ कर सकते हैं, है ना? वही ना, देखो होता क्या है ना, आई नो मेनी वेज दिस वोंट वर्क, बट आपको नहीं पता, क्योंकि मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है, आप उसको करने लगोगे ना, व्हेन यू थिंक मोर अबाउट इट, देन यू विल नो, अच्छा ये भी तो सकता है, अच्छा ये भी होता है, ये भी प्रॉब्लम है, ये भी प्रॉब्लम। दैट इज व्हाट आई वांट यू टू डेवलप द थिंकिंग। मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप सोचो इसके बारे में, सोचो, जो चीज़ नहीं आती है उसको पढ़ो, बस करना करना नहीं है, करके उसको देखना भी है, रिफ्लेक्टिंग बैक से ना। एक्चुअल लर्निंग इज नॉट जस्ट डूइंग, एक्चुअल लर्निंग इज रिफ्लेक्टिंग। पता चलेगा आपको, समझ आएगा, अच्छा ये है, अच्छा इसको कैसे करना है, अच्छा इसके लिए मुझे मुझे लाइक शी वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट सुपरवाइज्ड लर्निंग। कितने लोगों को पता है सुपरवाइज लर्निंग क्या है? तो मैं क्या करूँगा, मैं जाके उसको देखूंगा व्हाट इज सुपरवाइज लर्निंग। जब आप सुपरवाइज लर्निंग पढ़े होंगे ना, तो आपको समझ आएगा रीइंफोर्समेंट लर्निंग, फिर आपको लगेगा अनसुपरवाइज लर्निंग, ओके, देन स्ट्रक्चर्ड डेटा, अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड डेटा। ये सब मुझे कैसे पता है? क्योंकि मेरे को किसी ने बीच में, मैं जब पढ़ा तो मुझे किसी ने सुपरवाइज लर्निंग के बारे में बताया, तो मैंने क्या किया, मैंने उसको जाके पूरी वीडियो पढ़ी। तो आई नो देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ लर्निंग, सुपरवाइज, अनसुपरवाइज लर्निंग, देयर स्ट्रक्चर्ड डेटा, देयर अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड डेटा। जो जो एआई होता है उसको हमें स्ट्रक्चर्ड डेटा देना होता है, अगर अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड डेटा दोगे तो अच्छा काम नहीं करेगा। तो इसे मुझे कैसे पता चला? क्योंकि मेरे को किसी ने पूछा कि सुपरवाइज लर्निंग क्या है, तो मैंने क्या किया, मैंने जाके उसको पढ़ा। समझ रहे हो? तो बस आपको सुपरवाइज लर्निंग करके कुछ है नहीं, यार आपको वो पता होना चाहिए कि वो क्या है। हाँ जी, all the ideas which you are talking exist, anything I am teaching exists, there's nothing new which can come out, but the only thing is now you have access to me, you can talk to me, and the way I deliver. Solution doesn't, ऐसा ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता, solution doesn't exist, ऐसा ऐसा दुनिया में कोई है ही नहीं जिसका solution नहीं है। और अगर समझ रहे हो तो there's nothing in the world which doesn't exist, and if it doesn't exist then it is impossible to do. People with 100 or 20 years of experience, people are not able to do. How are we expecting you to do? What I'm expecting, like I'm not saying you cannot do, there are one in a million chances you can do as well, but But I'm not. That's not. That's the wrong expectation to have. What I want, my expectation is identify a problem and solve it to best your potential. अपने potential के हिसाब से solve it to the best possible way. In the way, you will learn something. My focus is not on the output you are gonna give me. My focus is what Divya will become in the process of this thing. In the process, Divya will learn machine learning, Divya will learn supervised learning, Divya will learn structured data, unstructured data, Divya would know a lot of AI tools, Divya will know what is the step-by-step approach, and many things that she's going to learn. Because I'll tell you. Okay, I'll just take this thing. Hello everyone. So one interesting question has come up and I want to discuss with you, okay? So Divya, my friend, she says, sir, if AI can build the entire website, okay, if AI can build the entire website, why should I learn HTML or Java, CSS, C++, whatever? How many of you have this question? Right? If it can build it 100%, why should I learn it? I'll give you a very good example, okay? There was a guy in US, okay? He vibe coded. You know what is vibe coding, guys? Vibe coding is basically you talk to AI and it codes the website for you. So he vibe coded a app, fintech app. Right, he got paid customers also. He was doing millions in revenue. Okay, then what did he do? He went to Twitter or X and said, wow, vibe coding is so amazing. I vibe coded this website and I already have paying customers and I've already made millions of dollars in revenue. Guess what happened next? Yes? Next, his next tweet was, guys, I am under attack, please save me. People, hackers started attacking his website. He was a non-coder. He didn't know, he did not put right guardrails, he did not put cyber security measures. He's like, my database is under attack. People are putting random things in my database. My credits are getting over. I am not sure, how do I handle this? You would understand? If someone with a tech background had made this, he would have ensured that, cyber security guardrails are there. He would have ensured his database is secured. He would have ensured anyone who's logging in should be authenticated properly. So, what is the answer to this question, guys? Please listen to me. Answer to this question is, whenever, if you are not having a coding knowledge, you're, designing any app or website, it is like leaving you in a room with your eyes blindfolded. Malab, your eyes are blindfolded and you're in a room because you don't know what to fix. If something breaks in your website and you don't have a coding knowledge, how will you fix that? By talking to AI. But AI doesn't know. AI, like, what? Can you control the output of AI? No. I cannot control the output of AI. If I have to just, I keep on telling it, it is not giving me the right output. What will happen? My credits will get over. But output, I'm not able to fix it. Are you able to understand, everyone? I'll tell you one more interesting fact. Okay, this is last year. Okay, this lovable and everything was coming, so I wanted to vibe code my entire website, our company website. So what happened was I was able to vibe code, but I wanted to move a button. I wanted to add a place where my speakers' photos could have come. But I was asking it again and again, help me move this button, help me move. It was not able to do that. It was taking up my tokens, but every time I was putting, it was not able to put it up. I had the entire code base in front of me, but I was not able to modify the code. If I would have had the coding knowledge, I would have identified that specific point and I would have made a change. Guys, are you able to understand? That is why you need to have a basic coding knowledge. Because if AI makes any error, you should be able to fix it. You should not be like, you are blindfolded and left inside a forest. Make sense? Divya, does it make sense? Why you should know coding? Guys at the back, does it make sense? Yes or no? Perfect. Cool. So if anything else comes up, I'll just keep sharing with you guys. Cool. I guess I'll move on. I cleared your doubts. Perfect. All the best. Okay. Hi, girls. Hi, how are you guys doing? What are you guys working on? Amazing. Perfect. Amazing. How are you going about it? Great. Interesting, right? Now I was telling you, if you have to make any changes in physical time, so if you know the basic coding, you can make changes over here. If you keep on asking, it might not do the changes. Right? If you're showing something, oh nice. Look, this looks crazy, right? If you had to go and do it yourself, it would have been taking a lot of time. Great. Yes. This is what no after this you bring in your expertise. First first motive should be build a working product. Then you can keep on going into details, add your, who's based on who's your customer audience. Are they students? Are they working professionals? Students, you should have poppy colors. Like now, and if working professionals there, you need more, what should I say, professional colors and professional fonts. So what would be my next step? Understand design basics. So you should watch YouTube videos. What are the basics of design? So then you should, understand how, the next step is how do I market it. Then you should understand basics of marketing, what marketing is, what branding is, how do I make a brand book of my thing. So are you able to understand in the process what are you doing? You have understood website building, you understood designing, you understood marketing. So as a person you are developing. Are you able to understand? Before starting this project, you did not know branding, you did not know marketing, you did not know growth or something like that. So while doing this, any word or anything that comes to your mind, you should learn it. Are you able to anything if you're not understanding, go and watch a YouTube video about it. Right? So what happens? Because this is your learning phase. You're not fighting to complete this. You're not fighting to complete this, right? Like uh, my friend was saying, sir, if I do this many things, if I start learning each and everything, it will take me so much time. So what? That is what learning takes time, right? Learning has to take time. The person, like before starting this project, you are a different X person. After starting this project, you would have run 10 different things. That is what I want you to be. I don't want to see this working. I want you to want to know what you have learned in the process. Like my friend was talking about supervised learning, right? Like we don't know what supervised learning is, but I know like there's supervised learning, there's reinforcement learning, there's structured data, there's unstructured data. These are basics of machine learning and AI. So when I was just starting my this thing, right? I thought if I want to learn AI and ML, so I should know basics of AI and ML. So what I did is I went to Google and saw what are big AI and machine learning for beginners. There I saw Andrew NG course. It is just 1 hour or 2 hours of course. I watched the entire video. That is how I know I basics of AI. Then I was curious, how does LLMs work? Right? So there is Andre Karpathy video one. So I just watched it. So whatever you get curious about, how does this do? What is this? How this works? How this? Watch a YouTube video on that. So it is not just getting output. It is every project when you are doing, you will learn 10 different things. That is what we want to add on. Great. So are you liking what I'm teaching? Like what is the feedback? Did it change the way you think? Yes. Oh, after the workshop, you have got a more understanding of use. I trust me, the more you will start using it, no, the more dependency will be there. Now there's another question also, dependency. I'll answer this also with folks, okay? Hello everyone. So there's one more question, right? So people are like, sir, if we start using AI much, so dependency will increase, right? Right? How many of you feel if you start using AI, you will not be able to work without AI? Yes. How many of you feel like that, guys? That if I keep on using so many tools, I will become dependent on them. And there will come a stage when I won't be able to work without AI. Yes? But guys, same is the thing with internet. We are dependent so much on internet that we cannot function without internet. Phones, you're dependent so much on your phone, you cannot work without your phone. But phone helps in many ways, internet helps you in many ways. Yes or no? So same, I'll give you a one interesting story, guys. Uber. How many of you know, like everyone knows Uber, right? So recently CTO of Uber, okay, I am making a YouTube video also on that. Do check out the YouTube video on my YouTube channel. Okay, now, what he said is, his entire company, they spent AI budget of $3.4 billion in just 4 months. Uber's, guys focus, Uber's CTO is saying, my entire team spent 3.4 billion budget, entire year's budget in just 4 months. Right? And he's like, I'm back on the drawing board, again allocating budget. Is it a good thing or bad thing? He says it's a very good thing. The AI is not bad. AI is so good that they are able to utilize it so fast, but they are getting output also at that level. Are able to understand? So dependency, definitely it is there, but don't look at it from a dependency perspective. Look at it from the output it is giving me. I'm able to do so many things which would have taken me years to do. It is at least giving me, I can do that in months. Right? So definitely dependency is there. That is why there are a lot of talks going about going forward. Hiring an engineer will be cheaper than using an AI tool. Right now AI tools is easier, but yeah. So dependency, and I'll tell you my personal perspective also. So I was using a 20 free plan, then I got to a $20 plan. Now I'm using a $200 plan. And today, if Claude shuts down, or other AI shut down, I feel helpless. Like you have no, like in my college we used to have, when internet is not working, it's like free period for us. When light is not there, it's free period for us. So like that we treat. If AI is not working, it is a free period for us. So there is definitely a dependency, high dependency, but the outcome which we are getting is well greater than that, right? But yeah, but if everyone is using it, we should definitely be using it. So there's no way to it, but yeah, there's no way to prove yourself. How you can make yourself proof is like having coding knowledge yourself, having basic designing knowledge or marketing knowledge and other stuff. Cool? So yeah, definitely is gonna be there, but yeah, we should learn to live with it. Cool, I'll just go around more and talk to more folks. Let me come here. Hi guys, what are you building? Hey, where's your laptop? Hey, bad. You're coming for a workshop without a laptop? Yes. You're building a working app for? Okay, amazing, yeah. How did you do the research? Google research? I'll help you do a research. Go to Google AI Studio. Go to Google AI Studio. In Google, you would have clicked one link and you would have done that. So here what you can do is, the time, it's 12, yeah. So what you can do is basically ask it to do a research for you. Same Claude also, if you see, it has an option for research. Like, I guess it's in paid web search you can use, but yeah, it's in paid plan, and in ChatGPT also you can do research. There's a feature of research. And Perplexity also, they are very good at research. You can ask it to do a research for you and it will do that. Okay, so that will give you more. And research, sometimes you cannot trust also. Right, so you have to ask it for resources. 4 people. Okay, I'll just come. Yes. This is the code. So copy this to GitHub and figure out. No, watch a YouTube video. This is the code. How do I ask it this only? This is a prototype. Help me. How do I make it production? Give me steps. 5 steps. Like that. Step 1, step 2. Follow that. Right. Understand how to deploy a app. Generally, for deploying an app, you need a Google or Azure subscription or something like that. You need a Google account, Google Cloud account. They give you some free credits, $300 free credits. So you have to use that. Then learn Google Cloud. How do I deploy my app over there? So it is not, see, just building. What you learn in the process of building this. This is a problem statement. How do I, this is a mock-up, how do I go watch YouTube video that I have got a mock using AI, how do I make it into a fully functional app? Watch that video. If that is not, watch 4 or 5 videos around that. What's your name? Huh? Sharan, what is your name? Pratik, what's your name? Abhishek. Sharan, Pratik, Abhishek. See, before starting this project, you knew few things. But after completing this project, you should be knowing how to deploy this. And you would understand how to do better research. This is what you will become. Imagine if you work on 10 projects like this. Right? Abhishek, Pratik and Shashank. Sharan, you will be a different beast altogether after working on 10. Think now how much you will know. That is the real thing. It's not completed projects. It is how much I learn in the process. Make sense or no? Huh? All the best. Yes. Hi, Alok. Alok, right? How are you? Doing good, yeah? Tell me. Yes. Amazing. Tell me, yeah. Mhm. Hmm. Yes. So how do you do that? How are you contacting them? No, no. Reach out to them on Instagram is one way. Reach out to them on LinkedIn, right? How do you get their number? Yeah, that is what. This is how you have to do cold calling. This is called as cold calling. You have to do cold calling. You reach out to 10 people on LinkedIn. Hi, sir. Because like, see, you figure out who's doing more social media. If you check out my page, you will see a lot of social media I do. Right? So just put a keyword on this thing. Social media creators, social media agency, or YouTube creator. So you will get list of people. DM them. Hi, sir. We are another agency. This is and create a portfolio. Like first thing they will ask is, like if let's say you would have messaged me, I would ask is what is your portfolio? Share a portfolio. You have a portfolio? Planning, no? So you have to make the portfolio first. Here's my portfolio, so this is up. That's when they will give you work. So like that, one karke you will solve. Sure, sure, please. Amazing and nice. Great. But this is not deployment ready. Right? The buttons are not working. So it is just made with one prompt, right? So but what we have to do is now we have to take this to production ready. Now what you will do, you have to go to Google, how to convert an HTML file into a production ready website, how to deploy it. For that you need Google Cloud account or Amazon Cloud account or whatever. At AWS you need something like that. So then you have to learn that. I will understand. So you start from somewhere. In the process, what you are learning, that is what is important. Make sense? Huh? Will do. Let me know if you have anything. Yes. Hello. Hi. What are you building? Got it. Amazing. Nice. So what? Are you stuck somewhere? Great, guys. You just need to see. In the first go, we will not get the first output. You have to keep on iterating. What all you can ask it. What all features should I add? Right. Give me a any other does any other project exist like this? Give me a competitor analysis. Do more research around it. Go deeper into it. And anything you find, no. See here it is talking about forensic indicators. It is talking about risk score, verdict. Right. You have to go deeper into this and understand the problem better. Exactly. So basically, anything you don't understand, you have to go deeper into it. There should be nothing which you don't know about deepfakes. Okay. What's your name? Three of you. Start. Alikia, Anusha, Shravya. Alikia, Anusha, Shravya. All the best. Great work. Okay. This is very interesting. Let's see that. Yeah. I'll just stop. So did you find what I taught interesting? Did you learn something? Huh? You will use it. Great. Thank you. Hello. Yes. 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 Yeah. So yeah, see what you have to do is first is you have to make it deployment ready. Make all the buttons work. It is just first create you have created now first draft, right? So what you have to do is you have to make sure that each button is working. Yeah, yeah. So this is the code over here. Click on this. Yeah, this is the entire code base over here. So first, what you have to do is you to publish it on cloud or AWS or Google Cloud or somewhere like that, right? And then like one or two buttons might be working. Is all the buttons working? You have to check that. When I'm putting a photo of something, is it working or not? I have to check that. Right, like that we have to do. Okay. Yes, you are working. You are working on this. Amazing. Main thing is anything you don't know, na, any doubt you have to YouTube it. Watch YouTube video. Like how, like you can say, I vibe coded a website. How do I make it into a production ready app? So it will give you 10 steps, right? It will tell you you have to post it on AWS or Google Cloud. Now what you have to do? You have to go and study what is AWS. How can I then study cloud, Google Cloud. Then there is Azure, Microsoft Azure also. So you have to study that. So tell me, what's your name? Devika. Devika, before starting this project, you did not know AWS, Google Cloud, or how do I do it? At the end of it, you should be well versed with AWS, Google Cloud. So it is not the output which you are gonna get. It is what all you learn in the process. That is the okay. Good. Definitely, 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 100% agree to it. Yeah, keep me posted on this. Okay. Yes. Okay. So who has my phone? Where is Raju? Okay, yes. Hi, hello. कारपूल करने का बेसिक. Yeah. You know, record, keep record. Yeah. Sure. Nice. Interesting night. With just one prompt, you are able to score so much things. Yes. Amazing. So guys, now next thing is making it production ready. What's your name? Raju. Raju, can I have this thing? I'll just take a video of this if you don't mind. Just a second. Yeah. So basically now next step is making it production ready. You have to take it and you should see how can I make it into a functional website. How will you learn that? Go to YouTube and watch videos. How can I make this into functional? So basically you will have to host it on Google Cloud or AWS or Azure. So in the process what you will learn? You will learn Google Cloud, you have to learn AWS, basics of it, and Azure. So are you able to understand in the process of building the project, you have learned so many things. Right? So all the best guys, amazing work. Yeah, your friends are there. Hello. Girls, I'll take a video of what you have built. Perfect. I'll just put it on my video if you guys can. Okay. Or who else has okay, you had made something, no? I'll just take a video of it. Okay, nice. But we have to publish it into a production ready app. So we have to, that's the next step. Okay, go for that. Thank you. Who else was there? No. You want to show me? Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yes. So how will they use it actually? Who will use this SOS button? This will be an ambulance, inside the ambulance. Okay. Amazing. Great, yeah, nice. You created this in this class only. Nice. It is interesting, right? What is the next step? You should see how we can make it a fully functional app. How do you go about that? Go to YouTube, watch. I put it this, how do I publish it? So basically when you do that, you will learn about Google Cloud, you will learn about AWS, Amazon Web Services, you will learn about Microsoft Azure. So basically, see, it is not about the product. It is about the entire process of, this is a prototype. Prototype to production ready. So you have to watch video and learn how do I become. So, what's your name? Bhuvna, what's your name? Andrea. Manisha. Bhuvana, Andrea, Manisha. So then Bhuvana, Andrea, Manisha before starting this project didn't know how to create prototype, didn't know how to make it fully published. So you might not be able to make it fully published, but at least you will learn Google Cloud, AWS, Microsoft Azure. So all these things are gonna be adding to it. Anything you don't understand, like what's the question coming to your mind after this? Exactly. Ask the same thing to Claude. How will people be able to use it? Right? It will tell you, give me 5 steps. Then it will tell you 5 steps. Then you go follow that 5 steps. And if you're not able to understand any word, right? If I have to go back, yes, please. Right. If I have to go back, then I will see it has given leaflet CSS. What is CSS? You know what is CSS? Leaflet JS? Not na. So you should be, if you are making a product, you should know each and every word which is written in this. Right? So anything you come across, like, because this is how I learn. If anything I see, this is not this. So I have to use that. I have to learn that. What is leaflet CSS? What is etc. You can ask it also, or you can learn from YouTube. My laptop. Okay, I'll just open. Okay, guys, is it good? Whatever I taught is interesting. Did you? Will you start using AI and did it open your mind a little? Amazing, great. I'll just come. I'll just open my laptop. Yes, guys. I am seeing crazy, crazy projects being built. Trust me, I'm surprised uh, because you guys were like amazing projects, guys. So, like next steps, I would say we will showcase 3 or 4 here right now. Okay. Apart from that, what I would want you to do is tag me. Okay. How many of you use social media? LinkedIn. Yes. Whatever you're creating, post on LinkedIn and tag me. Right? Guys, social media is very, very, very important. That too, LinkedIn. Right? Because how will recruiters find you? How will like if I am hiring someone for my team, first thing I do is check their LinkedIn. What is their thought process? What projects they have worked on? So any project you are working on, put it on LinkedIn. Okay. So guys, do tag me on LinkedIn and Instagram. Whatever you are posting, I will definitely feature you or share you or share it in my post also. Okay, because it is very difficult for me to keep track of all of this. But yeah, do tag me. Write a post. What did you learn today in my session? Right? And add screenshot, add a photo of I built this in my session or something like that. Because there are 2 things, guys, I'll tell you. See, you are selling something, okay? Let us say you are selling a fridge, right? There are 2 fridges, one fridge which is kept in a corner and there is one more fridge which is coming and telling, I can cool this, I am that. Which fridge are you more inclined to buy? Yes? The fridge which is selling itself. You have to sell. How many of you want to get a well-paying job after your college, guys? What do you think? Recruiters will come to your home and touch your feet and say, wow, you are such a wonderful person, come join my company. Yes? No. You have to put yourself out. You have to write on LinkedIn what you are learning. You have to write on about the projects. You have to write, I attended this workshop, I attended this event, I learned this, I did a code hackathon, in a hackathon I built this. So this way is what will happen. Number 1, you are reflecting back, thinking about what you have learned. Number 2, people who want to recruit you, they will understand. And number 3, when you are writing, you learn also. You become more confident about yourself. Yes? Will you write? Yes, guys. I will check how many of you are writing a LinkedIn post after this. Who will write LinkedIn post after this, guys? Yes? Writing is also a skill. Tag Dayananda Sagar University. Tag your teachers. Teachers will know, oh my God, my students are studying so much. Right? You want to create a good impression? You have to do that. Right? Tag me and everything. Okay? Social media is very, very important. I'll tell you, anything you are doing in your life, social media is going to change your life. It will have you have 10x returns. It will develop your personality 10x. It will give you financial return 10x. It will make you a better professional 10x. Cool? Amazing. Then I guess, I think we should start with demos now. I saw few projects. Now I will call people on stage and you can start demoing. See, why demoing is important? Because it is about your presentation. It is confidence building, guys. Right? It is not about, come in as a team and you have to project. How many of you want to present, guys? I'll pick 3 teams. Who wants to project? Yes? Very good. 1 team at the back. Very good. I'll take 5 minutes. Okay? Everyone has to tell a line. You can distribute among yourself. Okay? You're the first team. I have only 2 slots left, guys. Who wants to present? Please, go ahead. No worries. I'm there. No, you're going to go? Very good. Second team is finalized. What's your name? Devika's team is the second team. What's your name, Pa? Bhanu's team is 1, 2. Bhanu, Devika team. Boys, what is this? That is why women are leading. Very good. What's your name, Parth? Unnati's team is gonna present. Very good. We have 3 teams. I'll give you 5 minutes to prepare a presentation. Okay, and then we will have a showdown. Yes. Hello.
So we have made a project. It's called Graphics Stream. So basically what happens is I'm also a filmmaker.
Yeah.
Alright. The major problem that I face is that I don't have a platform to showcase.
Uh-huh.
Right? If you look into things like movie or Amazon doesn't approve it on the go. Or movie you have to pay five to $7 for that. So what I've done is it's called Graphics Streams. It's a production house. And then after that, as soon as it opens, you can go to the login page. So there you have two features. I'm a viewer or I'm a creator. So you can view from both the perspectives. If you just want to watch the movie according to your thing, you can be a cinephile and watch it. Or else if you want a particular segment, such as if you like zombie or if you like psych thriller, so the model will run according to that, and through that, it will be filtered. So you have no extra pop-ups or distractions like you face in YouTube or
Got
anything.
it.
So that's how you log in. And from that, here if we go, it's called the vault. The vault consists of all the movies.
Amazing.
And then after that, live capture is also a feature where we'll cover the, suppose this
Like an
kind of-
Instagram sort of a thing.
Yeah, so
Got it.
we can do the social media marketing. So this, for financial stability, this will be a
No,
proper
interesting.
major.
What is your this thing? It's interesting. I understood the concept.
Yeah, and after that, one more thing is that you'll get a filmmaker will get their own badge.
Got it.
Saying that, and then over here, that is the major thing, that screen your vision, zero paywalls.
Got it.
And one more feature I forgot to tell, that play this film or host screening. So 5 to 6 people, not many, you can just view it.
So now you are, is it production ready or like how?
No, like I made it yesterday only.
That is a very good. So now next step should be how do I publish it?
How do I publish it?
Yeah.
That's the thing. That's why I came in.
You want to ask me how do
Yeah,
so how do you publish it? Basically ask Cloud only or any this thing. So basically what you need to do is you need to understand whether you want to host it on cloud, Google Cloud, you want to host it on Amazon Web Services, right? And basically you need to like first of all you have, this is a very good design, okay? Then you need to say what are the next 5 steps so that I can deploy it production ready. Watch some YouTube videos around, I have vibe coded a platform, right? I have vibe coded a web page, how to make any website production ready. How to convert HTML into production ready app. Like this, you have to watch many YouTube videos, then you will get your answers to
So
it.
the third teammate over here, he has gone to AWS Summit today.
God, exactly.
So he's gone there. So he's a proper techie guy. So I've made the front end. He's going to look into the back
Exactly.
end.
So he will do that.
So he'll help
Then
me out.
after that, what you do is you distribute among your friends.
Alright.
Then they will use. Then they will put. Then give it to your college cultural committee. They can put your
I
videos.
just wanted to know that is the idea intriguing to you, like do you find
See, like within 1 or 2 minutes I cannot judge.
that's completely
But
fine.
I would say you have to figure out. And it is not the first output which you're going to get. It is going to be an iterative process. I'm not your audience. Your audience is going to be this cultural community, and you have to take feedback from them. They will tell you it's useful or not, right? Take permission from college to help you feature this, or use it for their, because your tech fest is going on. All the videos on tech fest should come on this, like that. So they are going to be your users. They will give you feedback whether it is useful. Then in the process you will learn a lot many things.
Because in this, I'm not looking for this as a project. I actually want to make it grow.
No, that is what I'm saying. So you have to definitely make it grow. So now you present your, now also, now why are you not presenting?
No, I was just standing there. I came just now before.
Okay, so you are here.
Yeah, I was sitting in the other lecture hall. There was a seats over there.
Okay, so you show it, no?
Alright.
Show, like, don't be hesitant to show it off.
Yeah, no.
Okay, so I'll add you also to show it. Okay, 4. Sit somewhere. Yes, Manya. So yeah, they have made crazy projects. Now I want to know, how can we ask them? Can you create? How do I communicate? Do you communicate with them and share a form where each one of them has to write what idea they are working on? No, for you only. For you guys only. Like to show Shamanta ma'am, no, what all they have worked on. We need to have. Yeah, you create a Google form with a student name, student ID, whatever like details you need, student details, name, student ID, email, the project they are working on, any links they want to share. Create this thing and, and share it with them, and they will. Cool, Bhuvana, you are ready? Come on. So they are going to present now, students. Okay. Bhuvana, come. You need time. You ready now? Come. Raju. Please. Guys, now we are starting the presentations. Please focus. Can you make the video of them presenting? Okay, where do I sit? I'll sit here? And this. Thank you. Okay, my back is some problems. And guys, we can roast these people, okay? You can ask them questions, okay? How is it gonna work, right? We are gonna ask you lot many questions. Guys, yes? In the audience, whatever idea they are gonna present, gonna ask questions. How are they gonna planning to execute or anything that. Basically, we have to grill them. Yes, we are ready? Boys and girls, we are ready to grill them. Hey, yaar, why you are so less energy? Like, are you ready to grill them? See, my throat is gone, still I am shouting more than you. Are you ready to grill them? Very good.
Yeah, we'll start.
And one mic person also for the crowd. Anyone want to, after their presentation is done, for 5 minutes we can ask them questions, okay? So you can just share the with audience. Hello? Kishore, I'm in a meeting. I'll call you after 2. Tell me if anything urgent. Tell me, yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Varshini, and this is Banu, Chandrakala, and Prapanchika, my teammates. And here we have built an AI website for providing loan to the people who We have built an AI website for people who want loan but lack CIBIL score. So to help them with to provide them the loan, we have built this app where we can, without CIBIL score, how can the banks provide loans to them? Now Banu will explain how this website works.
Good afternoon, everyone. So basically, there'll be a lot of people who are taking loans for the first time, students and many gig workers are kind of people who don't have a proper CIBIL score. So how can banks trust them and give a loan? They should. People who have CIBIL scores, who have high CIBIL score, banks easily trust them and give them loan. Though these people have the capability of repaying the loan, most of the people, they're not provided with loans because they don't have a proper CIBIL score. So to help these kind of people, we have made an AI website. We have used So this is our website where we have this, now I'm going to randomly enter a person's details. So we have his quick simulation and detailed manual entry, where we'll go to the detailed manual entry. where we have to enter the person, occupation, how much loan he is asking for, his Aadhaar number, his PAN number. Like we are literally asking each and every. We are basically trying to get to know about the person's financial activity, how financially he is, how much he is financially responsible. If a person is financially responsible, he's spending money just like that without, he's not recharging properly, he's not repaying his EMIs properly, he's not financially responsible. And we also have and here we also have made an option, like if the person is asking loan for more than 5 lakhs, we'll also ask him to give some surety documents. If the loan is less than that, we don't ask for surety documents. We'll only ask for his call log data, his call history, and we also ask details like how frequently he's changing his SIM card. You know, a person doesn't usually change his SIM card so frequently. If he's changing, he's not that trustworthy. You know, based on all these kind of things, we generate a score, we upload the document here, and how frequently he is staying in a country, like staying in a particular place. If a person is so frequently changing, all these factors are not, that shows that he is not that trustworthy. Based on all these entered factors, we generated a trust score here. Like each and every person will get a score. Based on this score, the banks can the banks get to analyze a person whether he can repay the loan or not. I mean, we have also added a chatbot. If a person needs any help or want to ask any questions, he can ask for. That's it.
Claps, guys. Anyone want to ask any question? Yes? Yes? No? Yes, my friend has a question.
Regarding the input which you will be taking, it will be from the user itself, right?
It will be from the user.
How can you say that the input which is given by the user is actually, how will you verify?
The verification, we take proper Aadhaar and proper PAN card from the person. Everything will be linked to the Aadhaar and PAN card, right?
That will be regarding the authentication of the person living
there. Yeah,
there.
there is an authentication problem here.
And you mentioned about the part about how is he frequently traveling and all these things. How will you verify that?
You know, these factors which we have kept here, each and every part, each and every detail we entry has a respective weight. Respective weight in the sense, we'll give more priority to the, you understand weights, like how much a person is earning has more weight than how frequently he's traveling. A person can be a traveler, he travels too much yet he is earning so much, so he is trustworthy. So the score is generated like that. The priority will be given to how much he is earning than how frequently he is changing his place.
From where are you taking the data?
It's taken from the user. To provide loan, he has to provide some details.
But from the user, like for example, if you're not taking it from any statements, bank statements, if I am only giving it, I can give it on basis I might be traveling quite a lot, but just to save my CIBIL score and all those things, I can manipulate the data, right? How will you verify that manipulated data with is there some database or that's what?
Yeah, there is this problem, we'll work on this. Yeah, we have this problem of how we cannot surely say whether the person, whatever the details given by the person is true or not. So we'll try to improve, we'll try to work on that problem. How can
Instead, I guess you can collab with these, like some public public sectors, like for example bank and all, you can be collabing with that.
Okay.
Just an idea.
Yeah, thank you.
Because, yeah. So you can collab with them, checking with their bank statements, but for that also that's quite a lot of work. So that was only my question. How do you verify that?
Okay. Thank you so much.
Amazing. Anyone else? Very good. Question at the last. Shashank? Okay, give it to Abhirami. Here. She's closer. She's just closer, that is why we gave it to her. Yeah, sir, please go ahead.
So my question, I think, is somewhat similar to his, but you were talking about when you're generating your CIBIL score, you give a certain priority to maybe the amount that they're earning as opposed to how often they're traveling. But how can you decide, based on something like that, for example, like there have been multiple cases where people travel a lot, but they also earn a lot of money because the reason they're traveling a lot is because they're drug dealers, for example. Like there are people who take multiple flights in a year to different places and then they deal drugs. So in turn for that, they will make a lot of money. But how can you ensure like the safety of a user or like based on what they are earning their money? So like how do you decide what to give more priority to in this list? Like how can you say, okay, I will disregard the number of times they are traveling or I will give more priority to this?
Okay. So your question basically is if a person is kind of a drug dealer and kind of thing, he'll be traveling more, yet he'll be earning more money. Then how can I judge? How can I give loan to that person?
How do you decide in what priority you will give a CIBIL score? Like how can you say I will give more weightage to this parameter as opposed to a different parameter?
That is how you train a model. You know, while training a model, certain weights will be allotted to each and every particular thing. When you're training a model, when you extract features from the data.
Correct, but this example is a counter example to the weightage that you have given me, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so how will you take account for that?
It's a nice question. Right now I don't have any answer
No,
for
it's
that.
all right. It just came in my mind.
It's a good thing to think about.
Yeah, I'll think about it.
This is why these demos are very important, guys. When you're presenting, audience asks you questions, you get a more ideas about that, where it might be breaking, right? So instead of publishing it and breaking it that time, you can, work on this right
Sure,
now. Perfect. I guess, thank you. Great job, guys. Bhuvana's team, claps. One more feedback from my end. See, everyone has to present something. Okay, right now Bhuvana was also only answering, but you should also take a stage forward. Okay, yeah, like that is why I gave you 5 minutes to prepare. Who will be talking about what points? Who will be taking questions, right? So, like next time we will try that. Okay, great job, guys. Once again, guys, amazing. The confidence and the clarity, I would say, for the first draft was crazy, guys. Great. Next. Let's bring, who wants to go next? Who wants to go next? You want to go next, guys? Yes? Come, please. Guys, is this interesting? Demoing? Yes? People at the back? Yes or no? Interesting or not? Okay. So how you start is introduce your team, totally, what idea you're printing on, and then. Raju, can I have my phone, please? Thank you.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. I am Devika and this is my team, Sanchita and Pratiksha. So today we have created a portal or website which deals with use of banned substances in the field of sports. What I mean by banned substances is we have one federation called NADA, National Anti-Doping Agency, and WADA, World Anti-Doping Agencies. So in the field of sports, usage of steroids is actually not recommended and not followed. The circumstances while using steroid in sports is your country may get banned, your records or medals will be taken back. So how as we athletes know what substance is banned in the supplement we take? So for that, there's only one portal authorized by government in which you only know what banned substances are there in your medicines, but not in your supplements what we take. For example, supplements for vitamin B12 is Neuroben Forte, right? So you'll not know what banned substances are we taking, known or unknown. So we have created a portal. My friends will brief you further on this.
So basically the user first puts in an input of either the name of the steroid or the supplement or the picture of the ingredients that is available. Then this app that we have, the website, is going to detect what are the ingredients and give us information detecting the medicine or the supplement and tell us if it's actually banned and if it's safe to use. It will give us also an insight on the harmful effects it will cause for the health and also tell us if it's officially not available and it's not proper to use. It will also give us an alternative supplement that can be used. Finally, it will also help us to notify the officials and make sure that the person doesn't come in contact with the harmful supplement.
We'll just wait for this thing, we cannot see anything. Yes.
So I'll explain how to use this website. This website name is Play Clean, Win Clean. And here, first you have to click on check a supplement. And then you have to scroll down. You have to click on your domain. I have clicked all sports. Yes. And then you have to type your supplement name. For example, I have given DMAA pre-workout. Yeah, I have given the supplement name as DMAA pre-workout and I have clicked on check now. So I have got DMAA pre-workout as banned, a serious anti-doping violation, and it also gives us what and all it contains, like caffeine, anhydrous, and what all safe substances it has.
So this portal or website basically tells you what you're intaking is whether safe or not. And if it's safe, in which field of sports, inside the competition, outside the competition. And it's not only built for athletes, but as well as coach, parents, nutritionists, and doctors as well who prescribe medicines to the people. Any questions, anyone?
Shashank? Any questions, anyone? Yes? People, you want to ask something? So how you're planning to take it to full production? What are the next steps you're going to take?
So first, I've created this on the basic knowledge, on the knowledge of whatever is present on the NADA and WADA, that is the official pages. I will authenticate with a few federations, whether whatever content is showing, it's 100% apt and can be used by everyone, and then we'll, as discussed with you, we'll have to go through the knowledge of AWS and then publish it. And if possible, I'll try to get it patented too.
How are you planning to get the first initial set of customers?
So as myself, I'm a sports person. I've played international. I'm an international medalist. So I myself travel to different countries and states to play. So athletes with me will first try, and I also have access in Sports Authority of India side, and as well as international coaches too. So I can give them to the fellow athletes to get it checked.
What sports do you play?
I play powerlifting. I'm a Commonwealth and Asian medalist.
Amazing class, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Anyone else? Any questions? Yeah, such a inspiring room, I must say. You know, because I was just going through all your projects and everything, and you know, crazy guys, very much inspired. And you know, today while before coming, you know, because I was having so much backache, my wife was like, you know, should we go? You know, you have to go. I was like, you know, because I have taught them yesterday. Today is going to be exciting. You know, they will be expecting me. So I would say my day is, what should I say, safal ho gaya, like successful. After seeing such amazing, you know, responses and amazing questions, and you know, meeting such amazing folks. Claps once again, guys.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yes. Next, who was the next one? Yes, please come.
Good afternoon, everyone. So all of you would have gone or been to some marts, D-marts, shopping malls, and everywhere. Yes? Yes? So have you ever wondered how they do the billing process? Have you seen how they do it? They take the product, they scan the barcode on it, and then they get the whole data about the product on their screen. So how does that happen? They feed the data earlier to the same system. Whatever they have in their inventory, they feed the data on their system before the billing process. Only then, when they scan the barcode, you will see the pricing on the system. But you know that process, how it is done? It is done manually. When a manager or a big shop or a mart buys it, they get something called invoice, which has the information about the product, the number of products, the pricing they have, the price they have bought it, the selling price, and everything is there in the invoice. How would they feed that data to the system? They do it manually. Here Snapstock comes. We automate that process. We automate that process. How? So our employees will take the picture of that invoice, and our Snapstock will use models to recognize that text and feed it to the system directly. This is the first feature of our Snapstock. Also, anyone here owning a small business? Handmade things, anything? So I wanted to own something like that. I like to do crafts and DIYs. I wanted to own a small business. But whenever I wanted to sell those things, I never knew what should be the price range of those products. Maybe sometimes I can put the price so high so people won't buy it, or so low that I am at loss. So there our Snapstock second features comes. So we suggest the small brand or small business owners the price range they should have. This is the PPT, but let's not waste time on the PPT. Let's go through the demo of our app. We are still working on the UI. So this is Snapstock. We'll get started. It's not. I'll start. Homepage se click करना.
ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Is it loose? So this is our web app, Snapstock. This is the home page. Let's get started. Then the Okay, so this is the next page. Even if you are a retailer or small business owner, anything, you will put your number, verify it. We will skip it for our demo for now. Then you will choose who exactly you are. A retailer, a small business owner, as a creator, a wholesaler, you have small business, you want to sell your products, or all of the above. And then we'll continue. Then you choose what brings you here. Maybe I'm a retailer, I want to automate my bills. And that's all. We will enter Snapstock.
Okay, so here we can see a 5 main options. So first we'll start with profile. In this, here we can see the user details or some of the basic settings, the items, the values and the orders we are having. On the home page, we can see the total number of stocks, inventory values, low stocks alert and new bridges. Scan invoice. Basically, in the scan invoice, we can upload the photo. It's like a demo, right? I have to show it.
All of them have created some projects, okay? So can you circulate a Google form with them?
Don't touch it. Okay, so we can upload it from the device or we can use the camera to click the photo. So we can directly upload the invoice from here. Then Price Lab. Basically, Price Lab is something from where we can upload the product photo directly. Then user can get a range from where we can like put the price range for the particular product. Then the bridge is something between the
small businesses and the retailers. It connects both with share. But how can I have to show it?
Come, you can speak.
So basically, it is a bridge between the two things, like retailers and a small businessman who needs to um, like sell their products on that website. That's it.
So that's all about Snapstock. Any questions? Any questions?
Yes, guys? Anyone? Okay, claps for them, guys, first of all. Very good. So I have a question. So why did you start working on Snapstock? Like, what was the problem you faced?
So basically, I wanted to have a small business for some time. I know how to craft, I know dye. So, but then when I wanted to sell those products, I had a problem that what pricing should I have for my products. Maybe sometime I can put the pricing too high so people won't buy it. Maybe too low, I will be at loss. So Snapstock, basically you have a feature where I can, as a small business owner, I'll put my product and on basis of the other products already existing in market, it will tell me a price range I can put.
Perfect. What are the next steps you are looking at?
Maybe the first feature that we have is for D-marts and small marts. So this can make their steps like work very easy and efficient, time consuming that they do it manually. So maybe I can give it to them and
So do you think they will entertain a new player like you?
Exactly like this doesn't exist still. They still do it manually.
Okay.
So maybe yes.
Might be you should start with some small supermarket, something like that.
Yeah.
Directly targeting demand,
Right.
Perfect, guys. Claps for them, guys. Amazing. Great. Thank you. Yes, you want to show? Next. Please. Good job, guys. Good job.
Hello guys, good afternoon. So I am Purab and this is Vivan. He's my teammate. There is one more guy. He's not here. Don't worry, he's alive, but he's gone for an AWS summit. So yeah, wait. Yeah, so now here you can see it's called Craft Streams. So what you do is, it's something like it's a OTT platform, okay, I'll be very honest, but then I'm also a filmmaker. So what problems I face over here right now is that if I want to showcase my short film, there's a platform called Movie. You might have heard of it. So if you want to showcase your short film on that, you at least have to pay from $5 to $7 just to showcase it. So what I'm solving a problem over here. This is a problem. But okay, I'll continue. The thing that I'm solving over here right now is that I can't show it without this.
This is the last we'll do after. Please have a seat.
When you see over here, it's something like enter the vault. So what you do is, there's a, go to the home page. So yeah, as soon as you come, there's a home page, the vault, live capture, dossier and submit film. So over here, it's like, you know how in Netflix they show that this is trending, that is trending. So over here, we are going to show that kind of film.
Guys, all these things happen, okay, everywhere. But we have to maintain our composure because, see, yesterday everything went wrong, but we did right. And today that is why we are here, right? So this is how we test character. Like, we could have easily said, right, internet is not working, like I could have gone, right? But would that have helped anyone? Right, AC is not working, we don't care. Right, anything is not hacking, we don't care. What we have come with, the mindset matters, okay? Anything can go wrong, but what we have to do, we have to do. Right, so develop that attitude, guys, okay? Like, it is easy to blame on things and go away. Right, internet is not working, how will I show it? I could have easily said, right, it is not working, why would I do it? AC is not working, this is not working, that is not working. No, it is just showing up and doing the thing. What is the main purpose of this thing right now? Just show and demo what we have built, right? Amazing things we have built. HDMI is not working, no problem. I will, that shows, it's okay. I'll show. I'll wait for it to work. If it is not working, I'll come and stand in the middle and give the presentation, right? This is the attitude we should have, a mindset. That is what character is, okay? Yes, great job, guys. And you guys are wonderful, I would say. Going through everything. Internet was not working, demos were breaking, but yeah, you guys learned. Did you guys learn, right, from that? Yesterday's as compared to today, what I am seeing, I am amazed, guys. I am blown away, and I am in love with you guys and your college. Yeah, amazing work. Guys. Claps for Dayananda Sagar University and for you guys. One more claps for you guys specifically who have attended, complete 2 days of workshop and built such amazing things, guys. Awesome work, guys. Great job. Yes, we can go ahead.
So yeah, as you saw the website, okay, there's this, I'll be quick. There's this thing called The Vault. Never mind. There's this thing called The Vault. What happens is, there are a lot of films made by indie filmmakers over there. So what we are going to do is, they'll paste their Google Drive as soon as you go to the submit your film section. From there, you can go and then there is something called Amazon Authenticator where, movies get authenticated according to the age restrictions and all of that. So once that is done, all the things going to happen is, your film will be there, you can just host it, watch it with your friends, 5 to 6 people or even more later on. Just watch it with your friends, like a Zoom meeting, but then it's for free. And all the filmmakers can show their film to their parents, to, what happens in YouTube is, you get a lot of ads, copyright issues and all of that, but here you can just show it for free. And also there is a segment called live capture. So Craftex is like my production house. So what we do over there is we also cover events. So as an offline event covering also, we have added this segment where we'll be covering events such as hackathons or any concert kind of thing, which will also be showcased on this. And there's the login profile. I don't think so you can see it. But yeah, there's a login profile where there are two things. One, you can log in as a viewer. One, you can log in as a filmmaker. So yeah, as a filmmaker, you'll get your own badge that says that how many films you have done, and then you'll have your own profile and all of that. So yeah, this is the filmmaker's badge. Log in. Yeah, this is the filmmaker's badge. Yeah, these are the two options. I'm a viewer and I'm a creator. So yeah, that's it. And so this is where you'll be hosting. Yeah, so that's it. That's it from me and my team. Thank you so much for giving your time. Thank you.
Any questions, guys? Any questions? What are the next steps you guys gonna follow?
So right now the product is almost ready. The front end is ready. So the third teammate. So what we are going to do is we are going to look into the back end, and we are going to start to publish it in the market, because I want to grow it, and that's what I'm going to follow.
Who is going to be your initial customer?
My friends.
Amazing. College, from the college.
From the college and my
you can
friends. Yeah.
start posting college fest
Yeah.
website or port videos.
Content creation, all of that. That's what is going to get me higher.
Amazing. And I see you guys are very good with content creation, because I was going through the reels which was created for this CloudX workshop. So yeah, so amazing, great work over there. Great. Yeah, thank you guys. Claps for them. There's one last demo. Yes, who has come? Last demo? Yes, then we will call it a day, guys, okay? Ready?
Okay, तो ठीक है. Start.
Good afternoon, everyone. So we've made a website where we have an AI advisor as a financial advisor. So which explains the terms and conditions of finance and how to make money in your respective language. So here we have a calculator which calculates the SIP, investment, loans, and EMI.
And it gives the roadmap for repayment of payments.
And with the help of this, you can generate a roadmap which a roadmap for the repayment of EMI. Then we have like multiple risks which it compares and then gives you for the returns. So right now, like property, it gives you the risk level and the return percentage you will receive. Then we have another learn learn area which helps you understand how to invest, or teaches you all this with the help of AI, like how to start a wholesome business, or it explains like bank SWIP and SIP, company shares, everything, and property investments. That's all. Thank you.
Any questions, guys? AI investment advisor, right?
Yes.
Yes, any question? Yes.
What is the difference between normal AI and AI?
Yes, please.
So just repeat the question.
What is the difference between the normal AI and your AI? Like we can ask the same questions to the normal AI.
Well, you can ask the question to normal AI, but it will not give like a proper, accurate, better answer compared to us.
No, you can, if you prompt correctly, you can get.
That is the main reason.
Basically, what you can do is, I'll tell you, very valid question, good question. Claps for the question, guys. So what you can do is, like, how do you answer these questions? You should say, we train our model based on top investors in India and global investors, right? And all the, like, the AI which you're gonna use, right? Let us say ChatGPT or something like that. So it is not trained specifically on that data. You can say we have trained it on the last 10 years, 50 years of data, and it was able to give 10%, 20% returns to all our followers, or we are going to train that like that, right? So what is the next plan, guys? Next steps you want to take after this? Yes. To you guys, what's the next step up? This is prototype.
Uh, so right now this is like a prototype website which we have made.
Yeah.
So our plans for future is to like make a proper website with proper AI use and everything, and we'll get customer feedback and see how it performs.
Amazing, amazing. Great job, guys. Claps for them. A great sportsmanship. I guess we are running out of time now. So because earlier I was asking, right, who wants to present, but right. Yes, don't worry. You can reach out to me on LinkedIn, guys, everyone. I'll just share my social medias right now. You can reach out to me. Shamanta ma'am is also here. Please. Yes, yes, yes. Did you see their wonderful projects? Okay, but yeah, students presented, demoed their project, and many want to demo also, but yeah, we are running short on time. But amazing projects they had created. And I've asked them to share a Google form where they will put what idea they are working on, and they can share a link also. Yes, guys? So we will share a Google form with you. Yes, yes. We will guys in your in a Google form which you are going to share. Write your name, ID, and what idea you are working on, and the link of the prototype, so that ma'am and registrars and other, we have a database, and if we find something good, we will try to get your industry connects, right? We will try to get your Google Cloud credits, NVIDIA credits. If something very amazing comes up also, we can try to incubate within the college campus or outside as well. Right? Interesting? Yes? Perfect. Yes.
Good afternoon. Hungry? Okay, I won't take too long. But then I think they've shared a Google form. Please upload your ideas there. And also, we will have a committee review it. And if anyone wants to incubate their startup or something like when you want to start, you want to pitch in, we will connect you with the incubators here. And we'll make sure your idea grows into, we definitely can be into entrepreneurship. So take this seriously, just not about workshop. Workshop was just the beginning to unleash what talent you have and what idea, what you can really do further. So anybody is very serious, please reach out to Student Affairs. The whole team is here. So we take it forward. Apart from that, we'll also be reviewing your current project that has been done. So I hope you all had a good time and a lot to learn and collab also. And AI is the thing. It's, as I said, it's not going to take your job. But if you're not equipped, then you're not going to get a job. So understand, it's not here to take your job, but it's here to create more opportunities for you. So AI should be part, just like your computer and laptop and the gadgets have become, the new technology has to be part of your system. So keep upgrading. And thank you, Amrit, for the lovely session and the guidance. And I know a lot of them are also your fans from the beginning. So we're so happy to have you here.
My pleasure, ma'am. Thanks to Samantha, ma'am, guys. Please clap for Samantha, ma'am. Because and also to the student organizers, guys, claps for them as well. Come on. Because of them only we are able to do these wonderful sessions, and would love to keep collaborating with you guys. So we'll take a selfie, guys, with you guys. You just keep sitting and just, ma'am, please, would you like to, please, you also join. Guys, come, everyone.
Login చేయండి. Guys, who has an orange iPhone 17? There?
Okay. Please. Definitely. Oh, yeah, please share me. Yeah, share me your number. Would love to. Oh, nice. Would love to collaborate. Like we do a lot of freelancing. People work like Kiran, who had come yesterday. He is a freelancer. So like whenever time permits, you should definitely come. On weekends, we have weekends only, so we can do freelance with you. Definitely. Amazing. Very shy guy, but he was a part of a team. He presented also. Amazing. We will take a photo. Yes, please. Yes, we are here. Ma'am, please. Guys, everyone. Yes. Ready? Yes, come on, guys. Very good. I'll do one video as well. Ready? So we have to make noise, okay? Yes, guys. Come on. How was the workshop? Woo! Great. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, we'll take one photo as well, guys. Please be seated. Like you can take from my this thing as well. Yeah.
Guys, make sure to fill the Google form for your attendance too.
Okay. Yeah, definitely. Please share his number with me, or give my number to him. Tell him to message. Yeah, yeah. We do a lot of freelance work. Yes, yes. Thank you. Yes. Okay, please add your number no, and name.
So, sir, as a token of our appreciation, I would request Shamanta ma'am to give a memento for you.
Thank you. I'll just you can message me also like and your work also share. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Raju, can you take from mine as well a photo and a video? Photo and video both. Like portrait. Thank you. Thank you so much. Definitely love the energy, environment and everything. Appreciate it. Thank you for making me a part of this. Ma'am, actually, I have a meeting at 3, so I have to leave. Yes, yes, definitely. Like, because will, yeah, and I'll be definitely back. Yeah, home. Yes. Yes. I'll just be back. Just a second. Can I present this? If they want, they can connect. Can I have this?
Yeah.
Just a second. I'll just share one a link so that they can tag me what they have built. Guys, do connect with me on my social media here. I'll just share. Yeah, please, no worries. So yeah, do connect with me on LinkedIn as well. Okay, LinkedIn may I would be watching your journey. I want to see you grow, guys. Okay, this is like people know me from before. Manya was my student, and I guess I met few of other as well who were with me when I was teaching for Vedantu, right? That is 2020s and 21, 22, right? And now we are meeting here, and I would love to see you in workforce, doing amazing thing. And yeah, so yeah, please do tag me in LinkedIn, Instagram, wherever, and do say hi whenever you meet me outside of this as well. I would love to see you and what you are doing. Thank you.
Guys, have you filled the form? Everyone has filled the form? Okay. అంత తీసుకున్నారా అటెండెన్స్ ఇలా పే ఫోన్ Guys, those who have filled the forms, please leave. Make sure that you fill the form. Then only you will be getting attendance and certificate.
QR code is also being placed on the group as well as Instagram link. So those who have not got this on the screen, please find it in the group. I'm sure all of you are a part of the group. Please take it from there.
All of you are requested not to exit the WhatsApp group since you all will need an attendance proof and your participation certificate. So please stay in the group.